Hello everyone, my name is Violeta Putri Resmara, a third semester student of English education. In this session, I will deliver an explanation on the topic of study that explore how digital storytelling can transform the way students learn to read narrative text. In our modern classroom, technology is no longer just an accessory. It has become a powerful tool to transform how students learn, especially when it comes to reading narrative text. So, let's explore how learning multimedia and storytelling can make learning more engaging, creative, and meaningful. Digital storytelling offers an innovative way to teach narrative text by combining multimedia with storytelling. So, this approach increases student motivation, engagement, and cooperation while fostering creativity. It also aligns with 21st century education by integrating technology into English learning. And why is it important? This topic was chosen because reading is a fundamental skill in English learning, yet many junior high school students face difficulties in understanding narrative text. Digital storytelling provides an innovative multimedia-based approach that makes learning more engaging and effective, while also enhancing student cooperation and participation in line with 21st century educational demands. More than makes reading fun, it helps students connect with the story emotionally and visualize characters and setting more clearly by creating and setting their own digital story. Students practice language, build confidence, and develop creativity. At the same time, they gain important 21st century skills such as collaboration and digital literacy. There are several benefits of digital storytelling in the classroom. The first is personalized learning. Students can create their own stories, reflecting their unique perspective. And second one is cultural awareness. Multimedia allows them to explore diverse tradition and value. Third is language practice. Narrating and scripting stories improve vocabulary and grammar. And fourth, confidence building. Setting digital stories help students express themselves more freely. And the last is reflective thinking. Students learn to evaluate their own work and the work of others critically. Of course, digital storytelling is not without challenges. It requires access to a device and a stable internet connection, which may not always be available. Teachers also need digital skill and preparation time. Moreover, multimedia can sometimes distract students if not guided properly. And finally, assessing creativity and engagement objectively can be difficult. These challenges remind us that innovative must always be balanced with practically. An implication in classroom, for the example, a teacher asks students to read a short narrative text, then guides them to read out the story using a digital tool such as PowerPoint or simple video editor. Students add image, background music, and short voice records to bring the story to life. This activity integrates narrative text with multimedia, making listen for engaging and motivating. As students design their digital stories, they practice comparison and creativity while collaborating in group. The process also develops critical thinking and digital literacy, ensuring that classroom practice like with 21st century. Digital storytelling proved to be an effective approach in teaching reading narrative text. It not only increases student motivation and engagement, but also improves their comprehension and creativity. The study highlights its relevance to 21st century education, showing that integrating technology into language learning can make reading more meaningful and enjoyable. In addition, digital storytelling encourages students to become active participants in their own learning process by designing and presenting with story multimedia. They not only strengthen language skill but also develop collaboration, problem solving, and digital literacy. These competencies are essential for preparing students to face real-world challenges beyond the classroom. Therefore, digital storytelling is not just an effective method for teaching narrative text, but also a holistic approach that equips learning with creativity, confidence, and future-ready skill. So, thank you for your attention, and I hope this encourages you to explore digital storytelling in your own classroom practice.